So I'm gonna be using this mirror today. I just got it from Amazon. It's a 3-way mirror. Boop, boop, because I can't see the back of my head. All right, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put it on here. Basically, I'm using this. I'm using my background holder to put it on. That was like mad annoying, right? It comes with these two on here. I feel like Wizard Kelly. You guys don't even see the person who's talking to you. Nah, pause this. Oop. Let's not pause it. All right, anyway, so these are like the little things. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna use this for the back of my head. It's very sturdy. I'm surprised. Now there's a little sticker on it. There's like a little sticker on it, but honestly, I'm not gonna take it off because I want it to be dirty, because that means that I didn't do anything to it. Anyways, so I'm gonna put it like this. You can adjust it. And then boom. Now you can see the rest. Now I think one had came with LED lights, and I was like, y'all doing so much right now, okay? Let me tell you my face. I was like, y'all doing so much right now. But this is pretty much it. This is the mirror. It's adjustable and stuff. Ooh, it's moving. Ooh, Lord, it's moving. Thank God it was only $25. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the parting section. Let's do it. So I finally got it set up. It was hard to do. I'm just gonna let you know. So basically what you're gonna need is this Eben Eco Styler Gel, a bunch of these clips. You're gonna need this. You ain't gonna call me crusty dusty lip in this whole tutorial. I know that's right. Anyways, you're gonna need one of these parters, and then I'm gonna start parting. I don't know how many I wanna do, but I have 10 packs of hair that I bought of Marley hair. So let's go, let's see what we can do. Let's start. Anyways, if it's one thing about me, is when I teach you something, you're gonna learn. Now, I have some of the braid pieces out. I've been using 3 strands. I use these for my baby hairs in the back because I would like to have them into the rest of my adulthood. So we're gonna get this string. This string is gonna show you better than me doing the Marley hair. I'm gonna do the string, and then I'm going to do the actual braid. Let's get it. So it looks like there's 21 pieces for a pack. That's gonna be important. Okay. So I put these little baby ones. I used to wear these when I had my my teeny weeny fro. Anyway, I'm gonna dip them in here. Have them sit a little bit. Take them out. Ooh, 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 the weight of them. Take them out. And then make sure the towel's there. The towel's right here so you don't burn yourself. Okay. And I just kind of dipped it for like 1 hippopotamus, 2 hippopotamus, 3 hippopotamus, what? And then little ASMR. And then I put it in the towel. Make sure you don't put it on yourself. It's very, very hot. Make sure it's dry. And then we are going to finally see the results. Thanks for chilling with me today. Oh my God, what a tutorial. I feel like I was filming forever. I don't know when the filming began. I don't know when it ended. I was braiding for a long time. You guys have no idea how long I was braiding for. Okay, I saw the sun come up and go down. But overall, hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I'm gonna send this last little portion of the video and we're gonna talk about the different hairstyles that Valkyrie has worn. Tessa Thompson is eating it up for the girls and I was so inspired by her to do this. So thank you for watching. Is it recording? Wait, it was supposed to hit it. Hold on.